welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. On today's recipe we are making banana ice cream. We are using only 2 ingredients for this: milk and ripe banana. That's the only thing we are going to use for this. So let's go ahead to start prepping. We prep our banana by cutting them into dice. After cutting them like so, you pour all of them inside the blender and pour in some milk. I use 1 cup of milk to 4 medium-sized bananas, and after that I blend them together. When it's nice and smooth, very smooth, you transfer them into a bowl. Yes, something like this. Pour your blended banana and milk inside the bowl and refrigerate for 3 or more hours. After 3 or more hours, this is what it looks like. Our banana ice cream is ready. I've even started licking it. I forgot I was supposed to film. And yeah, that's our banana ice cream. Thank you.